Hello, everybody. Welcome to our humble abode here in Bangkok, Thailand. We are staying right on Newt Street, and the building's name is Blocks 77. It is 28 stories high, and we are staying on the 26th floor. So it's been pretty awesome to get all the views from up there. The building is very well maintained. There's a security gate to come in. We think that it's very nice and nicely decorated. The lobby is pretty spacious. There is a coffee machine in the lobby, which is pretty cool, and just pretty furniture to sit on. We love this little serene outdoor patio area. It faces the river, which is really nice, and there's always a nice little breeze. And we just like the tropical vibe of this place. And you can sit out here, of course. Thailand is very hot, so that's why you probably don't see that many people out here. But you could come out here, and it's just nice and serene and quiet. As you can see, it's a very tall building. Every time we take the elevator, our ears pop on the way up and on the way down. The views of the river here are just so nice. Every now and then we can see boats going by, and it's just so serene. Bangkok is such a busy, loud city, so being back here is just so nice to get some nice peace and quiet. The building has a garage, so you can have a car if you need to. Mailboxes, we actually ordered a few things and received them in the mail, and it was not a problem at all. The vending machines, of course, are next level with all kinds of foods and drinks that you can order. The pool area is very nice and serene, and it's just really comfortable. The water is a really good temperature in the pool. There's an area with bathrooms, and as you can see, there's an area to wash up. Very nice pool, not a lot of people. The gym is very small. We didn't really use it, but there's a few machines in there depending on what you want. Not a lot there, so we had our own gym membership outside of the building. But it was still nice to have a couple of machines in there if you wanted to use it. We had a washer slash dryer in our apartment, but it is nice that the building also had laundry facilities. So that was really nice. And the machines are bigger, and you got like the washer and a separate dryer. So um probably works a little bit better. We did not need to use this because we had a machine available in our unit. Another thing that was really awesome here is the water dispenser. We are unable to drink the water in Thailand, so you need to buy water. This dispenser was great because it was so cheap to refill our jugs of water, and it's right in the building, so very convenient. Another thing that we really liked is how the machine is maintained. There's a log on the side of the machine saying when they last um, change the filter and stuff. So that made us feel even better about using this machine to refill our water. Very nice, very clean space. So we really like that about this building. Very well maintained. The hallway lights are activated by motion. So when you come out of the elevator and you start walking towards the apartment, the lights come on. Walking into the apartment, as soon as you walk in, the first thing is the kitchen right on the left hand side. Everything that we needed, we pretty much had here. This kitchen is small, of course, but we had no issues preparing meals here, and everything that we needed we had except for an oven. But we did have a microwave that we were able to use. Storage was not an issue. We had plenty of storage to have all of our kitchen supplies here. We had pots and pans, and they were very handy. We were able to use them. We didn't feel that we needed any more than what we had. Two burner stove, a kettle, a toaster. It worked out really well. No dishwasher, so we had to hand wash our dishes, and there's our little dish rack there. The apartment did come with a rice cooker, so that was kind of handy. It worked awesome. We liked that we had a full-size fridge and freezer, so that's really nice. Just because we were staying a long time, 2 months is how long we stayed here, so it's kind of nice to have a good amount of space in case you want to buy extra things. Overall, the space was really nice, and we were able to cook here without a problem. As soon as you enter the apartment, one of the first things you see is on the right hand side, you have lots of storage on the walls. So we are really enjoying that. We don't travel with a lot of things, but it's nice to have a good amount of storage. There's a shoe rack there on the side, so we can put your shoes away. We do not wear shoes inside our apartments, so it is nice to see that there's a place to put the shoes. Nice mirror, a nice place to hang our bags, a small couch and TV, but again, it's two of us, so we felt it was adequate. More storage, which is awesome. The TV worked well. We, of course, plug in our own Fire Stick, so we don't really watch the local channels here. The couch was comfortable, not the best couch, but for both of us sitting down to watch TV, it was perfectly fine. We had what they consider a queen size bed, and we felt it was very comfortable. We slept fine. One of the things that was interesting about this apartment is that you can, in fact, close the door to the bedroom. So you can slide that over and have more privacy in the bedroom, but we kept it open. There was no need to have that closed off. Nice windows where you can see the city. The curtains were blackout curtains, and that worked really well. We also liked the fact that we had night stands on each side of the bed, so that's kind of nice to have, and lamps that worked. There's tons of space in the closet. We don't travel with a lot of things, so this was very suitable for us. We had an AC unit in that bedroom area. The bathroom is small, especially with the way the door opens, but overall it was very spacious, nice big shower, glass shower. The water pressure was great. The water got hot enough, so this worked out really well for us. And we did have storage underneath the bathroom sink there, which is nice. Again, lots of storage, which is great, especially in a small place. It's nice to be able to not have all your things or crowded up into small spaces. So very nice. Now here's a look at our bedroom. And as we come back around, we also had another AC unit in that living room area, which was very nice as well. So we can have both ACs on while we're there. And at night, we could turn one off and just, have the one in the bedroom on and vice versa. The balcony is pretty small, but it had the AC units and the washer that was also a dryer. So this was really handy. The views of this apartment, especially from this floor, we were on the 26th floor, are amazing. And of course, at night, once the city gets all lit up with the lights, is just so cool. Always noisy, of course, lots of traffic down you can see on the street there. But man, we really enjoyed being on such a high floor. Now, what we paid for this Airbnb for 2 months here in Bangkok, Thailand was 2,032 US dollars. So overall, we were really happy with this place. We, of course, will leave the link below. We hope you enjoyed the video of our Airbnb in Bangkok, Thailand. Feel free to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more of our travel adventures, and slow travel with us.